Hey guys, I got a little bit of a different video to share with you today. I have done do-it-yourself videos in the past, things like, how to set up a coffee grinder and espresso maker, um, patching up like a cheap patch on a driveway, things like that. What I'm going to show you today, it is summertime, and this is something that some of you may find useful. When it comes to cooking outside, a lot of us like to use grills. Now, we don't all have charcoal grills. We have a gas grill, and it's a few years old, and it's in good shape, and it always served us well. But I recently went to go light it, and when I pushed the igniter, there was nothing. No clicking sound, nothing, and it was kind of solid. It wasn't squishy. And I did some research on it, and I'm like, I didn't even know there was a battery that was in the igniter. That's how stupid I am. Anyway, I figure instead of trying to get rid of the whole grill, what I'll do is I'll change the igniter. Now, I can't be the only one that didn't know that there was a battery in the igniter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change it. And you may find it useful. You know, it's a lot better and cheaper than replacing the whole grill. I think I paid like 10 bucks off eBay for the igniter. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and I hope it works for you. Okay, so we all may not been there or not, but you want to do a nice cookout, and you go to cook your food, you push the grill button, and nothing. So now you're like, okay, what's wrong? Well, if you're like me, I never actually knew that there was a battery on the inside. You open up the switch, you unscrew it, and you can see there's a compartment for a battery. Now that may be the problem. You may be all set, you might be able to put it back in, you might get it to work again. But I've already done that. You can see you put the battery back in, and you screw the switch back in place, and if it's the battery, it'll work. You'll hear that clicking sound again, but this isn't. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. I got a Char-Broil grill, and I'll show you the kit that I got. Okay, so what you're going to see when you look under the grill is you see a switch box. You can see there's a ground, and you can see also there's the igniter switch, or the igniter cable. And in this instance, it goes up inside, and it goes to the burner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the kit that I got to change all this equipment and get your drill working again. Your grill working, not your drill. This is a Char-Broil grill, and I'll show you the kit that I have gotten for it. Okay, so this is the kit that I had gotten, Char-Broil. Easy installation. Installation is simple. You can see it's got the switch, it's got the burner unit, the igniter that goes to the burner, it's got the ground, and lots of other goodies. So, I'll show you guys the back. Hot Shot Performance includes generator, collector box, igniter, and electrical wires. 6 grounding electrodes, enclosed electrical circuit for reliability. Fits most gas grills with side burners. Well, mine doesn't have a side burner, so we're not going to use that those pieces. So let's show you guys. First thing, we got the switch. And this one is different from the switch that I showed you guys. Kind of like a spark plug. You can see where the thing is going to go. And we got a packet that has some wires. So you can see looks like a wire that's going to go. See how you can see that? This is probably going to go right onto there and carry the spark. Let's see what else we got. This is probably for the side burner, but we don't need that. We don't have a side burner on this grill. And most likely this is the ground. And I'm not quite sure what this is yet. I've got a wing nut. And looks like the rod for conduction. And we've got a screw. And we've got a small screw. It looks like that could be the ground screw. And that's it. Now we got the instructions. Simple instructions. That's what it said on the, on the front of the packaging. All right, let's see how simple this is. Let's see, you have figure 1A, 1B, figure 2, figure 3. You can see where it goes on to the burner, figure 4. Okay, so, warning, grill must be cooled before proceeding. Now we understand that. Turn the gas tank off, we've done that. And remove the grids and the radiant. Remove the following as the ground on your grill: sparks, electrodes, gas collector box, spark collector, and associated wiring. Okay, so I've taken off the grills. And these little things, you can lift them up, and there's only a slot that holds them in. So you lift it up, pull it out of the slot. And you can see the bottom pieces. Actually, let me clear out all the old also a good idea to get a paper towel and wipe down the bottom of the grill, all the grease and extra gunk that was built up. And what I like to do is I like to put foil at the bottom, kind of like to protect. Anything to make the grill last longer. And it'll keep your grill protected from the grease, and it'll make it last longer. So if you want to see the specifics of your particular grill, you go underneath where the gas tank is, and you're going to see a sticker. And the sticker will have the model number and a lot of the information. So you can get a switch that's particular to your grill. I wanted to show you guys one of the switches that had the one with the side burner for the kind of a multi-use burner type switch. But what I'm going to show you is the one that's specifically for this grill. All right, so I ordered the kit specific for my grill using the model number and the serial number. And I got the ignition kit. I got it off of Amazon because I had gone to the Char-Broil website, and I'll show you the pictures, and it was actually out of stock. But I was able to find it on Amazon. You can see this one was the 2 outlet because I don't have a side burner on my grill. And this is what they sent me. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is different than I wanted to show you guys what the other kit looked like. The general kit. The one that I showed you was one that there was no battery. It just kind of went by the push, the friction causing the spark. And that one had all of the pieces. This one doesn't, because this one, all you do is you unplug the igniter wires in the ground. And you can replug them into this, and you can see where it's going to go. And again, this is where the battery is going to go. And you have the bolt that will keep it in place. And that comes right off. And this will go right through and probably go this way. So I'm going to take you guys into the grill, and we're going to take out the old one. All right, so first thing we're going to do, again, we're going to take off the cover, remove the battery. In this case, this one is a AAA battery, and you're going to see it's got a bolt. We use the pliers. And just like that, it loosens up. So let me show you from the underneath what's going on. Okay, so we're underneath, and you can see from the back side, you can see there's two plugs that just come out of the back. And it might be easier to take it out. So I'm going to take the switch out, and then we'll remove the plugs. Okay, so we removed the thing, the switch, and let's see. You just pull the leads off, just like that, and we're ready to put the new one in. You guys can see the new one. So we take the cord, put it into the new lead, and the ground. You can see, just like that. We put it in. We've got the brand new, the nut that's going to go on. To give it a little tighten with the pliers. Not too much, but there we go. That's good. You can see the battery goes in, and we've got the brand new cap. And I don't know if you can hear the clicking. So let's go ahead and we're going to try to light the grill. All right, I'm actually going to use a good battery. I'm going to use the Duracells. I like the Duracells. We'll put that back in. And now I understand it's a good thing to, at the end of the season for the winter, take the battery out of the switch. That'll be better. So let's try to light the grill. Put the gas on and push the button. There we go. Just like that, your grill is done, and you're ready to grill those burgers, hot dogs, and sausages. But I did want to show you guys the universal kit that had the wires and everything, just in case you wanted to go that route. If you put that in, you'll be required to take out the original wire and switch, and you'll use the one that I had showed you in the kit. And when you push the button, that'll provide the spark that will go through and light the grill. And that, my friends, is how to fix a grill, the Ignitor. I hope it was helpful for you. And like I said, it's a lot cheaper to replace the Ignitor than to go out and buy a new grill. So I thank you for watching, and have a great summer, my friends.